Hello my legend mandarins and welcome to another video and the review of kit made by Takom, Panzer 3. So as you can see, still 95% don't subscribe my channel, so go and click on the red button. So first words will not be exactly about the kit, but I must thank you my friend this kit because he bought it for my birthday, so thank you so much. And now we can continue, and now you can see some like the scale, and here you can see the plastic parts. And now we can open the box and look at the all plastic inside. As you can see, we are footage parts, lower hull, upper hull, turret, and a lot of plastic indeed. And it's great kit, I must say. And now we are opening the first sprue, and that is upper hull. As you can see, upper hull have great details like these rivets and of course the side panels. As you can see, the mesh texture is amazing. We are looking now at the back where are supposed to be some plastic parts, as you can see, and on the bottom is nothing. And we are slowly moving to the turret. Here you can see the back of the turret, and now the turret itself, again with excellent details, I must say. This is amazing. And you know, this part is again for the turret, the band like kinda cover, and now the lower hull with looking at the transmission, and of course on the bottom again great details. And on this sprue C you can see again some plastic parts which are dedicated to the back section of the tank. And again on the other side is nothing. Two identical sprues. For illustration we just need one because it's a Tantrax, and I can see only few pinholes, which is great, and the details on the Tantrax are excellent. We will see how Wash can bring details out. It will be great. Same two sprues like with the Tantrax. And now we have closer look to the all wheels, especially drive wheel. I think like two types, or maybe I'm wrong. And of course road wheels here, and some other plastic details like some small wheels, this part, lamps. And of course don't forget on the suspension itself, as you can see here. And now you can see holders for the side armor plates, like for the turret and for the sides for the tank. Closer look to the MG and ropes, and this great plastic part with excellent wood details. And now we are looking at some other plastic parts here. Okay, shovel and axe, cover for the MG, cutters, and front plates, and some other plates for the tank itself. As you can see, just armor plates for the tank, and I think maybe the exhaust pipe, but I'm not sure. Now rotation for the turret, some cupolas, holders for the smoke launchers, some hatches, and of course gun barrel itself, and front armor plate for the gun barrel, interior for the gun barrel, and of course another hatches, and finally photo etch parts. As you can see, they are just only for armor plates and some other small details. Here you can see beautiful decals made by Takom, and finally instruction manual. On the back you can see QR code, and you can find Takom on Facebook. So on the page you can see parts. This first page you can see assembling of the suspension and wheels. On the page 5 assembling wheels and assembling Tantrax, which will be kind of great. As you can see, you must make two, that is note, and some other details. We're going of course MG to the interior. As you can see, wheels, assembling upper hull with lower hull. Now as you can see, assembling the turret, and of course interior, as you can see, just only for the gun barrel, which is shame, but it's not of course the interior kit. And the last thing what we have is assembling the turret with armor plates. And now you can see some colors and camo schemes which was used for the complete model. But if you want, you can color your model maybe with a purple. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.